Hello everyone, welcome to Sanderson James Estate Agency. Today, we're diving into the world of cash buying for buy-to-let purposes and the process of selling a property in the UK. First up, let's talk about cash buying for buy-to-let. Now, this can be a lucrative option for investors looking to build their property portfolio. Here's how it works. Whether it's through online listings, auctions, or working with an estate agent like us, it's crucial to find a property that fits your investment goals. Once you've found the perfect property, it's time to make an offer. Since you're a cash buyer, you have an advantage here as you can move quickly without the need for mortgage approval. With your offer accepted, it's time to get legal. You'll need a solicitor or conveyancer to handle the legal aspects of the purchase. They'll conduct searches, review contracts, and ensure everything is in order. You may also arrange for a survey to assess the property's condition. Exchange day is here. This is when things get real. You'll exchange contracts with the seller, making the sale legally binding. You'll also pay a deposit and set a completion date. Completion day is the moment you've been waiting for. The remaining balance is transferred to the seller, and you'll receive the keys to your new home. Your solicitor will handle the final paperwork, including registering the property in your name with the Land Registry. Now, let's talk about the fees involved in completing the purchase of your buy-to-let property, especially when you're a cash buyer. It's important to understand these costs up front to avoid any surprises during the transaction. First and foremost, there are the legal fees. These include the costs associated with hiring a solicitor or conveyancer to handle the legal aspects of the transaction. They'll ensure all the necessary paperwork is in order, conduct searches, and oversee the transfer of ownership. Next, we have survey fees. While not always required for cash buyers, it's still advisable to commission a survey to assess the property's condition. This can help identify any potential issues that may impact its value or require repairs down the line. Then there are the stamp duty land tax fees, commonly referred to as SDLT. In the UK, SDLT is applicable on properties above a certain threshold. However, as a cash buyer, you may still need to pay SDLT depending on the purchase price and whether you already own other properties. Additionally, there may be estate agent fees if you enlisted the help of an agent to find the property. Typically, these fees are paid by the seller, but it's essential to clarify this beforehand to avoid any misunderstandings. Now, let's talk about selling. Before anything else, it's crucial to ascertain the value of your property. Our accurate valuation service ensures that you have a solid foundation for your selling journey. You'll need a legal expert to handle the paperwork and legalities of the sale. Your solicitor or conveyancer will ensure everything is above board and guide you through the process. Before you can market your property, you'll need an EPC. This rates the energy efficiency of your home and is a legal requirement for sellers. Time to get your property out there. Your estate agent will create listings, take photographs, and advertise your home to potential buyers. Sit back and let the professionals do their magic. Interested buyers will start making offers on your property. You can choose to accept, reject, or negotiate these offers until you find the right one for you. Once you've found the perfect offer, it's time to make it official. Instruct your solicitor to proceed with the sale and get ready for the next steps. This is where things get serious. Both parties sign identical contracts, making the sale legally binding. You're one step closer to closing the deal. The big day has arrived. On the agreed-upon completion date, funds are transferred, keys are handed over, and ownership of the property is officially transferred to the buyer. Congratulations, you've sold your house. And there you have it. Whether you're buying or selling a house in the UK, we've covered it all. From navigating the buying process to smoothly selling your home, we hope this guide has been invaluable on your journey. Happy house hunting and selling!